We live in a world of ups and downs. And we work until we become successful. While we are in the process, we neglect many things or take things the easy way. So here are 15 tips for living a better life in your journey. The following tips are recommended if you want to build to a successful everyday life. Welcome to Pin Genius, where you explore, experience and learn. Pin Genius is a destination where you learn some of the amazing facts, explore many unknown things, and make your day bright. Do one good deed every day. Having a kind-hearted mindset will make your job easier. Doing a good thing every day will help you have a positive mind and increases your self-respect. Feed your mind daily. Spend at least 30 minutes a day filling your mind with new information and positive messages. This will have a huge impact on your ability to successfully navigate the game of life. Other people have spent decades learning lessons that you can learn in a matter of minutes. Don't waste the opportunity to learn from their actions and mistakes. Write a to-do list the night before. Preparing the list will give an image of the next day so that you can prepare before you start your day. Just spare 5 minutes every night to write out a to-do list, and your productivity will improve automatically. Focus on quality over quantity. True success takes passion, not things. If your goal is to be successful on the long term, then you need to focus on quality over quantity. It's easy to do the simple things, but difficult to do the extraordinary things. Remember that. Self-confidence. Believing yourself is most important tip among all. Since you can't always be motivated by someone when you are broken, it's totally you who is going to take it as a challenge and move on. Have a healthy diet. Try to eat more fruits and veggies, and avoid fast food. This will help you keep a healthy body, both mentally as well as physically. Stop complaining. While you are in the process, you will undergo a lot of failures, which in turn leads to anger, frustration and stress. So this might lead you to complain on the people around you, whether it's yours or theirs. So quit complaining and shift your focus towards the positive outcome you desire. It will change your life. No one is responsible for your happiness but you. It's you who needs to play the game in the long run. If you take things on the wrong way, then you are the sufferer. But with the right direction, you will definitely be happy. Overall, your life is in your hands, win or lose, it's all left to you. Start with good morning routine. Having a good and healthy morning routine is going to kickstart your life. Here's a complete video on how to make your morning routine a good one. So click on the I button, hope that will help you. Have a good sleep. Sleeping for 8 hours each day is a must. With proper sleep, your mind works more actively, which leads to better results and a happy journey. Focusing on building an empire than making more money. Life is about living, not about money. Yeah, money will surely pay your bills, but it cannot keep you happy always. Money is important, but it's only a small part of the picture. Stay low. One of the biggest things most entrepreneurs do is to have a low profile. They don't spend on branded stuff, but invest the same money on their goals. This not only will boast your mission, but you will also know the true value in life. What you cook is what you eat. Feeding your mind is important. If you are filling your head with negative news, violence, angry music, you will bring more of it into your life. So, the more positive you take, then the more positive you give. The best is yet to come. Always have a positive thinking on your goals. Trust in your journey, keep improving and always search for better ways than trying the same old way. While you are in the process, never forget to enjoy the time you have, the moment you are experiencing, and the people who share these things with you. Keep fighting until you win. You will lose confidence and hopes on yourself, but remember one thing, no man has ever reached his destiny without all this. If so, then everyone would be successful millionaires. For more videos, stay connected with Pin Genius.